Customize appointment subjects. To create custom appointment subjects, we would have to go under settings and go to your configuration. Once under configuration, go below your setup and you'll see a tab for appointments. Let's click on appointments. Now here, if you see, by default we already have these appointment subjects, right? However, if these are not applicable to your business and you need to create your own appointment subjects, you'll click on this add new appointment button. And suppose you want to name it as first meeting, or whatever your appointment subject is. First meeting. Choose your color. So let's say if I want to color code it as this one here, I'm going to create my appointment. Now if you were to go under show appointments, you will see that first meeting has been created by myself, right? I'm using the demo owner account for these training purposes. Now if we were to go under our sales and our leads, so any lead that you have and you want to book an appointment for them, so let's change the new landing page to all leads, right? So we have Joe Smith over here. So now let's say if we want to book Joe Smith, we want to book Joe Smith's appointment for his first meeting. So I'll click on the red appointments button, go under my subject, right? And under my subject, you see first meeting shows up, right? So let's click on first meeting, choose our start date. So let's say if I want to book first meeting for Saturday at 1 p.m., right? I'm going to save this. Now as soon as I save it, you're going to be able to view your appointment down below here under your appointment information as first meeting for June 6th at 1 p.m., right? And to view this appointment on your planner, you'll click on your sales menu, go to your planner page, and you'll see right here, first meeting has been booked for Joe Smith.